and welcome to my channel. Today I actually have a hair tutorial for you. I know I usually do makeup, but I figured, the holiday season has begun. And, with a cool look, like a glam look, with a glam makeup, you should also probably try to do something with your hair. So I decided to show you a relatively easy glam updo, because let's face it, even though I have a lot of hair, I don't usually get much further than buns or basic braids or just wearing it loose. So I decided to do something that even I can do, so that means that you can probably do it as well with a little bit of practice. It's basically a braided hairband and then a big bun with a scrunchie, and that's basically it. It's more glam than your average look, but it's still something you can do on yourself without having to practice like 10 years for it. And we're only at the beginning of December anyway, so you still have time to practice if you want to wear this for like Christmas or New Year, so that also should help. So yeah, let's get on to it. Okay, to start off with, what we're gonna need is, for a start of course, either a brush or a comb or whatever you prefer to use. But also a hair donut. This one is actually too small and the wrong color for my hair, but I don't have a different one, so this is what we're gonna use. Also a scrunchie. I think I got this one at a market at some point in time, but as long as you have one that looks sort of festive, then it's fine. They're back in fashion, so that shouldn't be too difficult. Then one hair tie to just make a ponytail with, and then preferably a very firm thick one so you can just put it around the donut when you're done and immediately have it, keep your hair in place. Other than that, for the braid we're going to need a tiny hair elastic, and then for everything else in terms of, well, tying stuff together, we're gonna need hairpins. Just those little slidey pins are fine, or this type that's more, banded outwards and all, that's fine too. I prefer the more banded outwards one because I feel like I don't know, they just hold my hair better. So yeah, that's all we need. Now, first off, I have bangs, obviously, so I'm just going to keep my bangs completely out of the equation. If you don't have bangs, then obviously the hair at the front of your head is just going to join into the look. But first off, I'm just going to section off the part of my hair that I'm going to use for the, I was going to say braided hairband. Yeah, braided hairband. Yeah, braided hairband. Yeah, I don't know why that word sounded strange to me suddenly. Okay, I'm well aware of my own limits. I'm not a hairdresser, so I'm not gonna bother trying to get it absolutely perfect. Just so long as I start low enough that I can actually start a braid and actually have a visible braid already before it passes my ear, it's fine. So yeah. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, we can go make the donut, so I'll just turn around for that. Okay, so if you have shorter hair than me or less thick hair, then obviously you won't have such a huge bun. And you can also do it like higher up your head, or well, even lower will probably be a bit uncomfortable. But it just depends on what you prefer. I personally prefer a bit of a low bun because, I don't know, I just like it. I'm pretty sure I can still get the scrunchie around it. I hope so, at least. But anyway, yeah, other than that, now we can just grab this section, comb it, and start braiding it. I really prefer to do the bun first, just because you can't get the hair out of the bun easily anymore. So it's easier to keep the sectioning intact this way. Okay, I'm actually going to start a little bit higher than I originally wanted to, because I appear to have like pulled the hair below here into the bun as well. Oops. Like I said, I'm not a pro. But I'm just going to do a Dutch braid, cornrows, however you want to call them. Because those lay on top of the head, so they're more, I don't know, they look better, I feel, as a braided hairband. There's really useful tutorials online on how exactly to do a Dutch braid. I'm basically just, you know, braiding it. It's more, yeah, I don't know, it's easier to see if you actually do this on the back of your head. So if you need a tutorial on that, then I think have one up on my channel. But yeah, anyway, for now I'm just really pulling it tight. Like, you want to take small sections of hair because you really want to, you know, slowly braid. Like, you don't want to make really big turns and then immediately be at the other side of your head, because you just won't get as much of a visible braid that way. And also you want to do it nice and tight, so that you don't end up again with too soft a braid. You really want this to be visible. Okay, and we're there. I still have quite a bit of tail left, but we're just going to pull this backwards and wrap it around the bun, so we're not actually going to see the tail anyway. Okay, and we're done. Yeah, like, full disclosure, I did actually practice this braid for like the past 3 days to get it to this point, and it's still not perfect. So if you want to do this really well, just practice. Why do I stumble over the word practice? I don't know. Need to practice on it. That was a lame joke. Anyway. But yeah, the point being, you know, practice makes perfect. It's really true. So, you know, just practice if you want to get better at this. Why is it keep getting brighter outside? But yeah, anyway, and also if you have shorter hair or less hair than me, then obviously the bun is going to be less humongously big and the scrunchie is probably going to stand out more. But you could also use, if you do want a lot of hair and you don't have it by nature, you know, just stuff some extensions in there. Can't help you on that because I've obviously never worn extensions, because I would probably break my neck from the weight combined with my own hair. But yeah, anyway, I guess that's an option too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out. And if you want to see more of my tutorials, you can always subscribe to my channel. For now, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!